Have you ever noticed how you can send a high definition video to someone in Tokyo in just half a second? But if you try to send them $50, it takes 3 days and costs $5 in fees. It's 2026. Why is money slower than a TikTok? Well, while everyone is arguing over political headlines, the world's biggest central banks just finished building a secret door in the global financial plumbing, and they're about to push your money through it. For the last 50 years, global money moved through a system called SWIFT. It's basically a giant chain of banks passing notes to each other. Every bank in that chain takes a tax, a fee, and takes their sweet time. But as of now, January 2026, nearly 75% of the G20 countries, including India, the US, and the EU, have moved past the research phase and into the tokenized payment systems. They aren't using bitcoins, they're using unified ledgers. This isn't just a tech update, it's the biggest backhand shift in economic history. We are moving from analog banking to atomic settlements. Let's take, for comparison, 2021 as the base year and the current year. It took 3 to 5 business days to solve a cross border settlement in 2021, but today it's instantaneous. G20 CBDC involvement in 2021 was for research, but now that CBDC is 75% live. The idle liquidity, or nostro, was 27 trillion but has been reduced by 30%. The tokenized asset market was 2.3 billion in 2021, while it is 5.6 million and more in the current year, that is 2026. 30% reduction in idle money. That means nearly a trillion that used to just sit in bank basements is now flooding into the market. This is why the stock market feels flush even when interest rates are high. It's a massive, invisible injection of liquidity. Big players like Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, are calling this the next generation for markets. He's gone on record saying that tokenization will greatly expand the world of investable assets. Augustin Carstens from the BIS calls it the future of financial systems with a sophistication we cannot imagine. For them, it's about economic settlement. You buy a house and the deed, the money and the taxes all move in 1 millisecond. No lawyers, no 30-day waits. But not everyone is cheering. Critics like Francois Villeroy de Galhau warn the unregulated private money could threaten monetary sovereignty and the common folk. There's a darker side. The kill switch. If your money is programmable, can the government make your stimulus check expire if you don't spend it by Friday? The bank run 2.0. In a tokenized world, a bank doesn't fail over a week. It can collapse in seconds with one viral tweet and a million withdraw clicks. For you, it looks like efficiency. Your bank app works instantly anywhere. But the backhand is that it gives central bank a god view of every transaction. They can't just raise interest rates anymore. They can literally see and potentially throttle the speed of money in real time. It's like having a remote control for the entire country's spending habits. We were waiting for a crypto revolution, but the real revolution happened in the plumbing. While we were looking at the faucets, the great tokenized migration is more. It's made money faster, but it's made the economy more controllable than ever before. Next time you see an instant global transfer button, remember it's not a feature, it's a new global architecture. Keep your eyes on the plumbing, folks. I'll see you in the next one.